Hello everyone, I am Barkha from WinsurTech and Webner. Today in this video, I am going to explain WinsurTech Document Reader. WinsurTech Document Reader REST API allows you to extract data from any editable or flattened Acord form or image. The data is extracted in JSON format. Let me open the form that I am going to use for this demo. As you can see, I have Acord 126 form. Test data entered in this form includes information about the agency, applicant, carrier, NAIC code, policy number, coverages, etc. If you scroll down this form, you will see the contractor's information, additional interest information, general information, and in the last, you will see the producer signature, applicant signature, national producer number. You can easily extract the data from this form in JSON format using WinsurTech Doc Reader API. Note that it is a read-only form. It is not editable, and we are going to extract data out of this form. To start things off, we need to get the Postman collection. Firstly, go to Doc Reader website. After opening the website, you need to sign in. You can log in with Gmail or LinkedIn. I am logging in with Google. The first time you log in, you need to set your password, which will be later used to log in to the API in Postman collection or your software program. After this step, go to the subscriptions menu and download the Postman collection. After downloading it, let's go to the Postman application and import the downloaded Postman collection. After importing the Postman collection, you will see all the endpoints. Firstly, we will go to the first endpoint, login. When you click on this endpoint, you need to go to the body tab. After clicking on the tab, you need to fill in the username. Password. After that, you need to click on the send button and the output will be generated, and in the output you will see the access token. We can proceed to the next endpoint as this generated token is automatically used in the remaining endpoint in our Postman collection. So let's move on to the next endpoint, which is scan document. One thing to understand is, as it may take a few seconds to read data, this endpoint converts the data in the background and posts the response to the callback URL you provide for your system. Click on the body tab. In the first parameter, you need to upload the zip file which contains the PDF or several PDFs, as my future videos will demo. Let's upload the zip file here, in which I have embedded the single PDF, form number 126. In the next parameter, which is for the callback URL, you need to enter the URL hosted on your server. This is like a controller or a webhook URL where you receive the output back. The next parameter is the custom mapping key, as this is for advanced use and we can ignore it now. The next parameter is omit blank values. Enter the value as true if you want to omit the blank values from the output, else enter false. The default value is assumed to be true. The next parameter is to save output temporarily. If you want to save the output on our system temporarily, then enter the value as true, otherwise enter false. The default value is assumed to be true if it is left blank. True for this parameter means you can use the next endpoint, fetch callback output, to fetch the output. So it is your choice if you just want the webhook URL to receive the output, or you would like to keep an extra option open so that you could also fetch the output through fetch callback output endpoint. We keep any output available for only up to max 2 hours. I will keep it true for our demo. Let's hit the send button now. You will see the output is generated. You can see the transaction ID and the input file name and the file size. Now copy this transaction ID and paste it into the next endpoint, which is the fetch callback output. In this endpoint, the user can check the status of the transaction. So let's paste the transaction ID here, which we copied from the last endpoint. After it, just click on the send button. So after that, the output will be generated. This output is in compressed format for reducing the payload. Programmatically, your programmer can easily save it as a .zip file. For now, I will do it explicitly here for the demo. To save this output, click on Save Response and save the output in a file with the name .zip extension. If you give the extension as .json.zip, it makes it easier to read the output as JSON. Later on, as you will see, I am using .json.zip here. Now we will extract this file contents and we will get a JSON file. Let's open this file. You can see in the output all the data has been extracted in the JSON format. For each page of the PDF, there is a JSON key. You see the form page number of the page and then data key under which page data is. This is form page number 1 and its data key. Form page number 2, its data key. Form page number 3, its data key. Similarly, form page number 4 and its data key. Under data key, you see from e-labels as keys and corresponding value for each e-label. You can check the document name, document size, producer name, policy number, policy effective date, carrier name, NAIC code, insured name, etc. This is how the process works. I hope this video was helpful to demonstrate how powerful the scan endpoint is. I will be back soon with another video for advanced cases and scan endpoint. For any assistance regarding AL3, Accord Forms, Accord XML or any PNC insurance project, kindly contact us at contact@winsurtech.com.